Hi folks, I'm Joe with Premier One Supplies, and today we're going to put a tattoo in a goat's ear. So why would you tattoo? It's a permanent mark. It's permanent identification for that animal. You can put in the animal's scrapie number, its own name, or a management number for your specific farm. Advantages of tattooing over ear tags is you don't run the risk of an ear tag being torn out or lost from the animal's ear, losing that identification. The tattoo is always going to be in that animal's ear. The tools for applying tattoos are straightforward and simple. Ink and an applicator. This is a stick of roll-on ink. You can also just use a jar of ink that's applied with your thumb. And this applicator is a 3/8 of an inch applicator. 5/16 is also used. It's a little smaller, so I'm going to go with the 3/8 today. When putting the digits in the applicator, you're going to have to visualize it backwards. I have PS48 in this applicator. This animal's management number is 48. We are Premier Supplies, so PS. So if I'm looking at the applicator from this angle and putting in PS48, I have 84SP, because when I apply it to the ear, I want it to be in the correct order. So it'll be PS48. So it's easy to put them in this way so you can see where everything's going to be, but just remember, you gotta have it flipped around. Other tools for applying tattoos are alcohol swabs, latex gloves, and paper towels. So we're gonna go through the process to get ready to apply the tattoo now. I'm gonna take my alcohol prep pad out of the package. My first step, I'm going to sterilize my tattoo applicator. Make sure all the digits are nice and clean. Just simply set it in there, press, and you'll see a nice indentation of what you're going to have in the ear as well. So I'll set that aside. In tattoo placement of the ear, this animal has a few veins here. I'm going to avoid those. Just make sure you wipe out the whole area with the alcohol pad. Make sure it's nice and clean. So I'm going to put my tattoo between the two major veins of this ear. I'm not going to be too close to the edge or too close to the head. Just right in the center, similar to ear tag placement. This one's a little too far out for my preference, but the tattoo will go right in here. So after a thoroughly shaking tattoo stick, ready to go, roll on the ink like so. Make sure you get plenty on there. All right. Bring your applicator over. And we're going to press firmly because these needles have to go through the ear. So, there we go. Rub it in place. Make sure the ink gets into the holes. And if we have any excess ink, blot it with a paper towel. If you have any questions about tattooing goats or other livestock, please give Premier a call at 1-800-282-6631 or visit our website at premieronesupplies.com. And for further information on raising goats, tattooing goats, or the scraper program, you can contact the American Goat Federation at americangoatfederation.org. Have a wonderful day.